Stay healthy with regular checkups. Why they're important. Do you want to stay healthy? Regular health screenings and checkups can help. Let's talk about why they're important. Catch problems early. Health screenings can detect problems before they become serious. This gives you a chance to treat them early and stay healthy. Prevent diseases. Some screenings can help prevent diseases altogether. For example, vaccines can protect you from serious illnesses like the flu or measles. Stay on track. Checkups help you stay on top of your health. Your doctor can review your medical history, check your vital signs, and make sure you're doing well. Know your numbers? Health screenings can measure important numbers like your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Knowing these numbers can help you make healthy choices. Building a relationship with your doctor helps you feel comfortable asking questions and seeking help when you need it. So, don't skip your checkups. They're an important part of staying healthy and taking care of yourself. Your body will thank you for it.